Okay, next is L trim. So L trim means what? It simply is going to remove the spaces, that is leading space. Leading space are what? So these are the spaces which are present at the left side of any string. So just check this example. What is given? L trim, and see string is what? Informatics, but here you can find a space. So this space is removed because of this L trim. So here you can find the answer, which is the informatics with the left space removed. Likewise, we have another, that is R trim. This is going to remove trailing spaces or the space which is present at the right side. Okay, so informatics is given as a string. At the right, here we can find one space. So this space is removed because of this R trim. So answer will be informatics with the right space removed. Likewise, we have next one, that is trim. Trim is combination of these two. That means it's a combination of left trim as well as this combination of right trim. This combination is termed as a trim function. So trim is what? What trim will do? This trim will simply this trim will simply remove both leading as well as trailing spaces. So string is informatics with both leading and trailing space. So answer will be informatics, and in this informatics output, here you can find that both leading and trailing spaces removed. So this is trim function. Just remember, trim is going to remove the space. Next function is substring. Substring, see here, substring, or even we can give it another name as mid. It is given another name as mid. Here, see, here we can find three arguments, that is str means what? String, and then m comma n. N can be considered as the starting position and n can be considered as the end position. Description is mentioned here. You can refer to this description and simply jot this point down onto a copy. Okay, so this is string, m is the starting position and n is the end position. Just check example is select substring informatics comma 3. See, with the example it is clear that if just one number is given, that means starting position is given and end position is not given. That means you have to start from this and till end we have to go. So see, informatics is given, so I will count this is first, second and third. F is my third character and from this F I have to go till end. So my answer will be informatics, right? Check this one, informatics comma 3 comma 4. 3 comma 4 is given, that means I have to start from this third character and from this third I have to go till fourth character. Fourth means 4 more characters, not fourth character, that is 4 more characters. So the third string is my F, and after this F I should go to 4 more characters, so it is FORM. So my answer came out to be FORM, and answer is written within single quotes because we are dealing with string functions. Okay, next is computers comma minus 3. Minus 3 is what we are going to count this way. So minus 3 means last 3 characters, so it is ERS. Likewise, it's minus 5 comma 3. So when you count from this part, so it is U is my fifth character and from here I have to go with 3. So UTE will be my answer. UTE will be my answer. Okay, so this is all about substring or mid function. This is very important. If it is not clear, do let me know. Okay, last is ASCII function. ASCII is what? ASCII is simply going to tell the ASCII value of the leftmost character of any string. Now what is this ASCII? ASCII is what? American Standard Code for Information Interchange. I told you all that ASCII simply is what? For every like for a small capital, for small letters, for capital letters, for numbers, 7-bit digit is specified. Okay, so that will be the ASCII value, and this is fixed. Like if anyone is going to ask me that ma'am, what will be the ASCII value of capital letters, what will be ASCII value of small letters? So for capital letters, like capital A to Z, it is from 65 onwards, and when you say for small letters, it is from 97 onwards. Okay, so just check. It is ASCII of 2. See, 2 is written within single quotes. That means it is a string. It it is what? It is a character or it is a string, so its answer will be 50, because ASCII of this character 2 is 50. See, next example is ASCII of dx. Here we are able to find a string, that is dx. So I told if any string is there, so we are going to deal with the leftmost character. So here leftmost is what? D. And right now I told that for small ABCD, your ASCII value starts with the number 97. So when we count, fourth is what? 90. Fourth is D. Comes out to be 100. So answer is what? 100. Likewise, I told for capital A it's from 65 onwards. So answer is what? Answer is 65. So this is all about ASCII, and I think even here string function is completed. If any of the function is not clear, do let me know, and also prepare your own notes, because notes is not possible for me to give. I am showing you all this in a video. If possible, just take it a screenshot, and then afterwards when you are free, just note these things down. Okay, and I think MySQL we already read it. It's not the new terms, these are the same things which we read already, but since you people are not that much serious, so I'm just revising these things again. So please make your own notes. Date and time function we are going to deal in the next video.